morning, everyone. Rob here from Bedrock Gold. Great to see you all again. Look at this for a spot, lovely. Sun's just coming up over the hill up there, shining on all the trees. Beautiful big creek, this one. This is not the Honey Hole Creek, this is a different creek. I'm by myself, so this one's just a bit easier. Rather than bash my way up a smaller creek, I decided to come up a bigger creek today. I haven't come very far. And I don't know how many times this has been missed over the years because lots of guys detect and fiddle around here. But this is in about 2 inches of water. That's down there, right down there. See how far I'm putting the detector? That's about 3 foot deep. Up here on top of this bedrock bar. There's a target there that was clear as day to me. Mind you, these little sadie coils are fantastic. Now before I get this out, I'm just going to turn my detector off. We've had it listen to it. Okay, I'd just like you to, there's a thing down the button there, it's called a subscribe button. You hit that and you can see every time I find a piece of gold or I go up a creek, you'll be able to view it straight up. You won't have to look for it. It'll come up onto your device straight away and you will be able to see it instantly without looking. And so all the views I've been getting, there's not a big percentage of subscribers. And if you do subscribe to me, it would really help me out, help me build my channel a bit. Even though I don't really, it's only a bit of fun. But I'm going to get in here now and get this piece of gold out. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button. It's just down the bottom there. Now, let's see if I can see this piece of gold. So I reckon it's going to be a lovely piece of gold. Where is it? Oh. Oh my God, it's bigger than I thought. I have seen it, look at it. It's coming out of there. Wow. Have a go at that for the first upper. It's a lovely piece of gold. God, I love it. Thank you. Thanks for your subscription. Cheers. Well guys, 15, 16 or 17, something like that years ago on this huge big bar up here, I probably got 15 or 20 pieces of gold. Right up there, probably 30 metres away. And down through here I got the odd piece with a few of me mates. You come down here today, I just thought I'd scratch this little corner out here. And listen to this. Now, with this one, I'll just turn that detector off. I don't even need the viewer, because I can see it. It's shining in the sun there. And it's a little gold nugget. So, we'll pick him up. Have a go at that shining there. Do I get him? Missed him. There he is. Only a little piece of gold, but Don't leave them there. Cheers. Well guys, I came up this waterfall. That's a fairly big hike since I got those first two pieces. But I'm glad I came up. I've got 3 pieces here. I've got one here. You can hear that. I had to crack a little bit of rock there. I've got one over here. And that's a nice chunky piece. And I've got one, I had to break this piece of rock out here too. Anyway, what I'll do, I'll do underwater shots and get them all out for you now. Gotta love these waterfalls. Okay, here we go. Number 1 coming up. Oh, lovely piece of gold. Wow, didn't even know it was that solid. Chunky piece of gold. Righto, we'll sit him over here on the rock. Just there. Beautiful piece of gold. I'll go and get number 2. Okay, put him over. This is only a bit smaller, this one. And that's a lumpy little piece. Goes good. And this piece in here I think is the best piece. Look at that for a piece of gold. That's got some weight to it, that one. Oh, that's getting up there. That's probably 0.7, 0.8. I think this one's probably 0.6, and that one's going to be 0.2. So what a lovely spot. We'll weigh them up when we get home. It's now time to go home. I will have a bit more of a detect. I haven't got past here yet, and look at the bedrock. Look at the bedrock bar up here. Oh God, I'll be late home. I'll get in trouble from you know who. Cheers. Well guys, I haven't moved. That was the first one there. The second one was over there under the waterfall, and the third one was over there underneath that waterfall. I just put my head down a bit more, and I'm pretty sure I know what that's going to be. Anyway, we'll see. Well guys, I just found a lovely piece of gold. We're going to get down here in the water to get him out. Okay, here he is. Wow, that is a chunk. You bloody beauty. Oh, that's that fella's 2 grams or more. A bit awkward this by myself. I've got to get up out of the water. Okay, that's a heavy piece. Oh yeah, having a good day now, you beauty. Well guys, that'll probably be me. I'll have to go. I'm not going to get back before dark. See you at the weigh-in at home. Well guys, this big boulder here was sitting here. So I thought, bugger it, I'll move it. And this is where I got 4 pieces. Same place, haven't moved. I've got one there, one in there, that big one in there, one over there, and one underneath the waterfall there. And I've got another one here now. So now, and this is going to be hard to find because it was underneath that bloody great boulder. I couldn't lift him, I just had to slide him. Anyway, he's going to be underneath this solid bit of bedrock right there. So it's going to be underneath that rock there. I haven't seen it yet, but it's going to be underneath that edge of that rock right there, I reckon. I'll give you an underwater shot of him when I find him. Well guys, I finally got that piece of gold. And there it is, another chunky piece of gold. Been a great day. Got to go home now. That took about an hour. I'm going to be running late, but that's all right. So here, in this spot here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of gold. I think I better come back. My God. Anyway, I'll definitely see you at home for the weigh-in now. But this will be my starting point in a couple of days, I think. See you at the weigh-in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers. Well, guys, I made it back. There, I'm just trying to see. Can't see that. Oh, okay, that's not too bad there. Bit bright. We'll go over this way. Okay. Alright. First piece, the biggest piece. 0.96 of a gram. That's alright, that's nice. Don't mind that. Here's another one. 0.45. Beauty. Here's another one. It's a chunky piece. 0.62. We'll just throw the 7 pieces today, which is really nice. Oh yeah. 2.8 grams for the day. That's unreal. Love that. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate it if you do. Doesn't matter if you don't, but it'd be a lot of fun for me, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching. Cheers.